Good day. All right, since I'm not here on Monday, I think I'll make you a movie. That way you can watch and hear my voice, and I'll try not to make it too long. We're starting into translations. Remember, it's all about transformation, this unit, which is us moving images around. When I say an image can be anything. A lot of our images are just going to be square. You can't even hardly see that, huh? Well, look, you can. I'll just put it up here. A lot of stuff we move around are going to be simple triangles, squares, and stuff. But if you think about it, we can move an image wherever we want. Now, a translation is literally a slide. So a translation, all we're doing is sliding the figure from one place to another. The figure's not going to change, it's just going to slide. We can slide it up, we can slide it down, we can slide it over and up. So slide it to the right and then up. Don't say over. If you say slide over, it doesn't mean anything because is over left, is over right, I don't know. So I have the slides here. You can pull up the slides on your computer and follow along. So here we go. So a transformation. A transformation is us transforming an image. It starts out, and here we've got a bunch of images. The first one, this is the pre-image right here because it doesn't have the little hyphen marks on it. So the pre-image is without hyphen marks, and that's how we tell it. So a transformation is a function that describes a change in the position, size, or shape of a figure. The input of a transformation is the pre-image, that's this. And the output is the image, and we indicate that with little hyphens. In fact, if it was multiples, when we got to the next one, we do a double hyphen. And it got really incredible, you go a triple hyphen. I mean, you can go hyphen crazy there. So that indicates which is the pre-image. It's the one without any hyphen, or not, isn't it a hyphen? Up, I don't remember. Whatever that thing is in the corner. My brain is slipping me now. It's been a long day. So that gets us our. So the image is what we make. The pre-image is what we start with. All right, hit pause now so you can write down these notes. You're still required to do your notes in the journal. All right, for those of you who hit pause, wow, that was a terrible figure. Alrighty then. I wonder what that looks like in real life. That is crazy. I didn't even check these slides before I went to this, so I'll probably have to stop. I'll just make it and do it by hand. I'm not sure why when I printed it, it came up with just a really weird face, but we'll go ahead and deal with it. So a translation. A transformation is translation is a transformation that slides a figure along a line. So if I have a coordinate and I have a triangle here, I can translate it to the right and move it to the right. And now this was A, that's the pre-image, and then the image would have a little apostrophe. I could also translate it down. I could translate it up too, but right now I don't really have any farther I could go. The image has the same size and shape as the pre-image. We are not doing any changes to the size and the shapes of the images throughout this whole unit. That's the next unit. So remember, the images are the same size. The pre-image and the image are the same size. In a translation, they have the same facing. This triangle is always facing up. It's translated. It's always going to face in the same direction no matter what we do. It's never going to change its direction. All right, so hit pause. Write down these notes. All right, you better have hit pause. You better wrote down those notes because I'm still checking your journals. Somebody's sitting in the back of the room right now hearing it for the first time that have to listen to it again. That makes it funnier. I'm not going to tell you who it is. So, graphing translations. Really, to translate a figure, you need to know the coordinates. You need to know where it is. So, I've got a triangle, XYZ here, and I'm translating it. And if you look, I'm translating to the right, and I'm going. All I got to take is 1 point, any 1 point, and I can get the coordinates from that. So, and this X is being translated to right, and then it's being translated up. So it would be right and up. And to the right, we're always going positive. Remember, positive runs this way. So this is a positive translation. So here it goes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's right 4, and it goes up 1. So this translation is actually right 4, up 1. Once I got the figure there, I would just connect the vertices. Bam, that's a horrible line there. So when I've done, the two are the same. They're the same size, same shape, same orientation, they just change places. All right, write down those notes. So I've got an image. This figure shows a parallelogram. It's parallelogram A, B, C, D. When you're labeling these images, remember, and this is more important for geometry later, remember always either go clockwise or counterclockwise. Depending on who's in charge and what they say, do it. Right now the book tends to go clockwise, but I've seen somewhere it doesn't. So this figure shows a parallelogram A, B, C, D. Graph the image of the parallelogram, have a translation of 5 units to the left. So 5 left, and 2 units down, and 2 down. So I'm going to pick one point here. I'm going to pick point A, and I'm going to go 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops, I shouldn't have done that. Not a hard point. And then 2 down. 1, 2. So there's my hard point, and that is A with apostrophe. Now B is, look, I could translate it and do the same thing. I go 5 left, 2 down, but I know that it's on the same line. It's parallel, or not parallel. It's horizontal with A, and it goes over 1, 2, 3. So I can go here 1, 2, 3, and I get B. Remember to put that there. Now D, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go 5 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 down. 1, 2, and there is D. Now, same thing applies here. C is on the same line with D. So it's 3 over, 1, 2, 3. There's my new C. Then I connect the dots. And now I've got a figure. These are the same figures, same size, same shape. This is a terrible lines. But this one's been translated 5 units to the left and 2 units down. Write that out. I think that's it. All right. So remember, you're responsible for taking these notes, and go ahead and get out and start your Khan. The Khan Academy stuff will help you in this. I love their lessons on this because they are helpful. So get them done. Start that today. There should be not a lot of talking or other stuff. Get it done. Bye.